How to enroll in HP Instant Ink and connect your printer. HP Instant Ink is an automatic delivery service for ink and toner that enhances the smart printer experience. You can choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs and have ink or toner delivered right to your door when you need it. To enroll in Instant Ink, follow these steps. On your computer, go to instantink.com. Once you are on the page, select Sign Up Now. If you have an HP account, you can select Sign In. If you don't have an HP account, select Create Account. Enter your information and create a password to continue. Once your account is created, select Continue to allow automatic printer updates. From here, select the plan that best suits your printing needs and click Select Plan. Enter your shipping information for deliveries and click Save. And then, enter your billing information and click Continue. Once each section is complete, select Continue. You are now enrolled in HP Instant Ink, and the next step is to connect your printer. There are 3 options for how to proceed. You can use your mobile phone by scanning the QR code. You can continue using your computer, or you can connect your printer at a later time. This video will continue using a mobile phone. However, if you are continuing with your computer, the steps are similar. Before connecting your printer, make sure it is powered on. Scan the QR code and the next screen instructs you to either open or download the free HP Smart app. If you do not have the app downloaded, select Get HP Smart. Once the App Store opens, select the option to download HP Smart. Follow the prompts to download the app, and then sign in to your HP account. On the Add Your Printer to HP Smart screen, select Continue. You are then prompted to choose the type of printer you want to add to HP Smart. If you are just unboxing your printer and have not powered it on or connected it to a network, select Get Started under Set up a new printer. If you have already connected your printer to the network, select either Complete Now or Add Printer under Add a printer that's already set up. This video will continue adding a printer that has already been set up. HP Smart searches for printers on your network. Once you see your printer, select it from the list. Depending on the state of your printer, you might also see screens such as Your printer is offline or Your printer needs to finish setup. If you encounter these messages, follow the on-screen instructions to resolve the issue. Click the Troubleshoot Guide link for more information. If no errors are encountered, a review screen appears, allowing you to review your printer and subscription information. If you have any special Instant Ink offers, they will also appear here. Select Connect this printer to Instant Ink. Read and agree to the automatic renewal notice and select Enroll. A printer pin might be required to connect your printer. The pin is located somewhere on the printer, typically inside the cartridge access door. Your enrollment to Instant Ink is now complete, and new ink or toner is on its way. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.